Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So what we got going on today is a pre-prohibition cocktail, which I've seen to find a lot of these. It's good to see things, from back in the day still apply now and still are good and prevalent today. This drink is called a Corpse Reviver number 1, and there is a number 2, which you're going to see after the number 1. Anywho, this is a cognac and Calvados, which is a apple brandy that's from France, with a little sweet vermouth. Anyway, let's get started. First things first, we're going to go 1 ounce of cognac. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of our Calvados. So actually, this is a brandy with vermouth because cognac is a brandy. Last, we're going to go 1/2 ounce of Sweet Vermouth. Give it a little stir. Add a little ice. We're going to put it in a Nora's glass because this isn't a lot of alcohol, right? 1.5, so 2.5 ounce drink plus the dilution from the ice. But here we go. And there you have it, a Corpse Reviver number 1. Supposed to lighten you up. Supposed to give you some energy, wake you up in the morning. It's not a breakfast cocktail, but you can drink it in the morning. Good drink, solid. You can taste everything. The sweet vermouth, it comes through the cognac. I'm not the biggest cognac person, but I'm not mad at it. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time. Cheers.